Isn't this cute?
Hello, my name is Janice Sullivan from Sullivan J Photography, and I'm super honored to be one of the top 20 websites to follow for macro photography. So let me show you how I made this image. I put up my sawhorses, they're metal, and now I'm evaluating what I really like about the Santa Claus. And I decided to go ahead and do a black backdrop using black cardboard, and that is black velvet. I've closed my drapes to remove the natural light, and above on my ceiling I have warm lights. Now I'm evaluating shadows, because shadows really is a big thing when it comes to photography. As I place the Santa Claus in farther, I get more shadow on him. I want a dark feel to it. I decided just to use the light above, but I wasn't liking the way Santa looked with the shadows. It didn't look very nice. So I decided to go ahead and just add light in front of Santa, not just too harsh, just moving forward and back to see what I liked. My last decision was to expose it just about a half to one stop so I can add to the Santa Claus in Photoshop layers by masking in what I want or removing things that I don't want within the frame. So we're in Photoshop, and usually I have all the layers for you, but for some reason I don't know what happened, but I'll tell you what I did. I took this into On1 to work on it, and I added this bokeh over here to the left, and then played with the color and just fixed saturation and all that fun stuff, and then exported it out as a Photoshop file. Because I knew I was going to work in more detail. You can see here to the bottom right, I didn't like the way Santa curved in. It's a doll, so I wanted to fix that. I wanted to crop it to make it more level, and I also wanted to add a different color tone to it. So I went back into On1 and did this lighting effect here and here to the bottom right. So here is the before, and here is the after by playing in Photoshop and On1. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me down below. If you're new to the channel and you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to grab new videos from me every single Thursday.